Hey guys, my name is Sujat. Today we are playing Slime Rancher. Oh my god, my cup noodle just fell. Okay, I already played the game because I was excited to play it. Um, my friend Bo, he told me about this game. He said it's a cute game. So okay, so I already played the game. So I probably might already know how to play it. I catched a bunch of slimes, and also I knew how to make tar. Tarzy's evil. I know, Marshmallow Alone songs. And also how to make a mutation. Get another type of slime. Get like Okay, let me show you. So I found a really big fat slime in the game. It's really weird. And I did not know this thing was in the game. So it's just a right click. If I think this is only on PC, but this game is really fun. I had to go and look for ways to get this game for free because I did not know how to get it. And this is kind of like a new place to me where there's oh no. Oh my god, I nearly died. Because if in this game, if you fell in the water, you will die. See, I told you. You've been knocked out, but a day's rest would fix you right up. That means you're going to heaven and reviving again. Yeah, and you gotta be careful of tars. They are evil and they try to eat you and your slimes. And tars are mostly one of the scariest things that were made in the game. And I think they were already like added, like when this game first came out, it was already added. Like the tars were already added. Okay, so I'm pretty good at this game on like moving. See, I just jump. Oh my god. Yeah, here's the place where I found the fat slime. It's so fat that I bet its mama is fat. It looks like it has no mama. And this thing uses too much power for you to get it, so you're unable to get it. At least you can make it have some friends. Do not make this dude lonely. Okay. 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 We go. If you go here, you will find another place where it has a bunch of slimes. Oh shoot! I need that. Okay, so there's also tabby slimes, or just cat slimes. Also, how do you make a cat mutation? Just get a tabby slime, then you get a pink plort. Just put it on the ground, and you made a mutation. You made an abomination. Abomination. So there's one thing that you guys should know about the game that you should never do. That if it's near, oh shoot, see, if it eats another slime, like if it's mixed with a slime plort, it will turn into a tar. And these deep devil things eat slime, meat, and ranchers. And we are playing as a rancher, so we have to throw this dude into the Pacific of the ocean. Or we try to suck some of my slimes. Not today, dude. Not today, slime truck up. And dude, when I first played this game, dude, I was like, bruh, this game should be a better game than other games. Better than Apex Legends or something. And pew! if you let these tars eat another, like, look, it's eating those slimes, and these things jump so high that you have to catch them and then yeet them out of the and yeet them into the Pacific Ocean or something. Well, look at these. Look at this dude. He's like so scared that he's gonna cry. Well, I don't think these dudes are like afraid of heights. They're just like screaming for like help, like ah! Like they are smiling. They're probably crying and laughing because they got their meal and stuff. Can I use it for an example to help me get up there? And they do not live for a long time. They just explode, which is pretty great. It's like another mutation. Yes! Yes! Boy! These things will literally eat anything. What's up, Madwan? I'm making a video called Slime Ranchers. Slime Ranchers. It's a game where you collect slimes or something. I can't remember. But also, there's these enemies in Slime Ranchers called a tar. They look pretty terrifying, but I ain't scared of them. But the little slimes are. Oh no. So there's also other like slime enemies. I'm gonna yeet this to the Pacific Ocean, and let me show you the next slime enemy. And as soon as my stamina regains. So it's around here. What are you doing here? You try to die? These things are very violent. They could bite the crap out of you. Well, these things are very violent. These things are very violent. Well, you're much violent than I thought. I'll yeet you across there. And let me show you these violent things. See, they spawn once you enter the room. They're pink Caspar Largos. And these are aggressive ones, so you better be careful. And you better pull one and like straight up hurry make it to the entrance, or else you die. That thing died. Oh wait, I forgot they follow you all the way here. Let me show you. Imagine seeing this in a horror movie, and it's just these things coming straight right at you. And then look at this. They're really aggressive. Why are they doing nothing? They look very mad. Okay, they are mad. And if you get past through their cave, you'll not get these diamonds or something. There's one thing you will find, and it's this. It will require a key, but I don't care. And the tabby slime. Oh my god. I know. No.
No, it's something green.
Something green. Whatever. My favorite color is yellow.
No.
Not green, not blue. My favorite color is yellow.
It's great.
Come on, go get them. Come on, go get them for me.
Okay, my daddy are gonna wake up and see me.
No, they're not. They're freaking sleeping. And you're about to ruin my video. And then everyone just straight up do a dislike. And you want... As soon as look for... whatever. Whatever.
I'm gonna wait.
Okay, you're ruining my video. Save me. I'm not. mess with me, I eat them across the ocean. Okay, let's get there. 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 I'm going to just do some crazy stuff and collect some money. These things are pooped by the slimes, but it's okay. It's not like real poop. They're actually crystals. That's what the plorts used for. Crystals. Ow, my head is hurting because of my little sister. Kuka, you're giving me a headache. Kuka, be quiet. You're giving me a headache. Okay, let's make it. It's day 11. Be quiet. Just feed them, and then they will give you their crystals. They will poop out your crystals. But it's okay. It's not actually real poop. It's just their own poop. You're a cringy singer. Shut up. Quiet, ghost talker. Get out of here. You must get out of here. No, he's not. He's not even real. He's just a toy game. Nah, he can't be mad at me because he does. Baldi is fake. Stickers? How dumb. What a dumb thing I've ever heard. Now I gave them higher walls. That means they're never going to get through there. Oh my god, I just noticed this was the emptiest thing ever. It looks like I need to do some mutation. That means I need to add some mutation. You guys poo-poo anything? Ow, 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 I forgot about the dumb crystals. No, I'm the one who saw that person. There was a man at our door trying to pull the door, and I was like, what the heck? Do not cuss. YouTube is now being now there's some YouTube channels that are been demonetized because of them saying bad words. They're breaking the rules of YouTube. I can hear you. But still, I'm gonna steal. Yo, mama. Yo, mama is the noodles. Oh shoot! This is gonna be a long fall. I'm gonna die. Wait, are the slimes are still there? And none. Okay, there was more than I thought. I threw 6, but now there's a few of them, and they pooped. That's good. That's good. That's good. That's good. You must feed the Slime King. At least. Oh no, I almost fell. So guys, I'll show you the character of this game, the player, the rancher. So just make sure just be careful that we do not run into freaking tars. No. We can't not allow tars to be summoned. We can't allow you to be summoned, dummies. Now allow the tar virus to explode. Okay, okay, I need to allow. Oh my gosh, that's so much money, so much fruit. I'm gonna get so much food. Oh no, 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 no. I tried taking a bunch of stuff. Give me all your money. And the money is this stuff. Mana, 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 mana. If I got like a $1,000, I would be like, bro, mana, 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 like slide the money off of my hands, like make it rain, like that kind of, like that kind of emo in Fortnite. It's a sapphire. Oh my gosh. Never say never. If I would get if portal guns were real, I would use them for everything that could help. Like if I'm too lazy to get a cup of water, I'll just put my hand inside of the portal and I'll get a cup of water. Easy, easy. This slimes is like an invincible barrier to the player. It's just a rancher that just keeps places. For what? Yep.
There's no drink. Say that.
No,
Say that.
never.
Say that. Say that. Little name.
Say some random name.
No. Say them. Real name.
Say Susan's your real name.
Yes. I could use
What you doing? Like what the fuck? That sounds really weird and awkward. What the? Oh my god! Stop! Oh my god! It's a rock cat. It's a freaking rock cat. Oh my god. It's a rock cat. It's a cat that's a rock. I'm so lonely, broken angel. I'm so lonely, listen to my heart. Nope. No, come on, stop. I never used the camera for a long time. Your fake name is Susan. Oh no! No, I got a tar. I got a tar. I got a freaking tar. I got a tar. I got a tar. I got a freaking tar. I got a tar. Got a freaking tar. And then and the tar and the it was a cool. Yeah. Oh my god! Never say never. The dude freaking just made the person who the slime who did that just was their fault because they just oh no, not again. Come on, can these things just leave me and go to the Pacific Ocean forever. I think they went there forever. Let's go. Whoop. Okay. This video have been 20 minutes. Okay, that's from someone. I don't know. That's from Ogden. Don't care about saying these things. And I think I should end the video because mostly not my videos are not really supposed to be that long. So leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye. And make sure this game still stays slimy because it's a slime game.